So, g'day people, how you going? House prices in Australia. But first, can you hear that? Can you hear that? Cockatoos, galahs, and corellas. The largest parrots. They're having an argument. Anyway, house prices in Australia. Well, I can't speak for all of Australia. I can only speak for my little neck of the woods. Oh, neck of the woods just means my little area. But house prices. So, where I live. Where do I live? I'm just going to say South Morang. House prices in the last year have probably jumped like $100,000. Just because over there they're building a train line. Yeah, choo-choo train. About 20 metres out the front of my front door. So house prices are... So it's about $500,000. When I moved in here, house prices are probably about $300,000. It's about 10 years ago. So they're going up and up. Now why is that the case? Well, it's only the case for Melbourne and Sydney. If you go to where my mum lives in Hamilton, well, house prices there are pretty low, 100, 200,000. If you go to Ballarat, an old house is like 250,000. A newer house is a bit more expensive because it's a newer model. Some people blame negative gearing. Some people blame the Chinese investment. Some people blame the baby boomers. People born between, I think, 1945 and 1960, after World War II. Some people blame the low interest rates. Some people blame the economy. And some people blame the lack of building of houses. Some people blame immigration, and so on and so on. But I think that it's probably a combination of all of them. You can't actually blame just one. You can't blame just one single thing because of the increase in house prices. Australia gets between about 150 to 250,000 immigrants, so the demand for housing in that part is pretty high. There's lots of foreign investment, not just Chinese. We get a lot from, actually, I can't remember. Something about Belgium investing more here than China. But anyway, so lots of investment from Europe and the United States, so not just the Chinese. Yeah, but I reckon it's just all of them, and if you want to change it, you have to change it over time. But as you can see from my backyard, I'm actually trying to fix it up. So it's a little bit messy at the moment. I'm going to cut all this, get rid of all the plants, cut all the grass. So that's what I'm doing at the backyard. And if you want to change this problem with the house prices, it's going to be a very complex procedure. Maybe you have to build more apartments, but apartments don't really have a good reputation in any country. What else could you do? I don't know. I'm not an economist, and economists, they just guess anyway. So hope this confuses you more than it confused me. Have an awesome day. Hooroo.